This is the sometimes called rotating lead clock kit. Sometimes goes by the reference number EC1204B, but I've seen it with other numbers as well. It's got a real-time clock chip on it, so it remembers the time when it's switched off, and it runs on a 89S52 chip. I made a video about it before, but I've made a change since then. It's still got the 12-24 hour mode, the date or blank, and the thing I showed before with the hands of the clock. So if we go into setting mode and I alter the hour, you can see it uses 5 LEDs for the hour hand and 3 for the minute hand, and if I come back out, 1 for the second hand. But the change I've made now, people asked me to, I hadn't used the buzzer before, is they said, you know, use the buzzer for something, so I have done now. So if we press the plus button in normal mode, it starts playing some music. Now you can still go through the different modes for the 12 or 24 hour or the date, but you can see the LEDs that would normally be the clock face are now sort of indicating the current note, higher notes at the top, and that's about it really. Goes on and on, doesn't it, this tune? So I'll stop that now, and that's it. Thanks for watching.